Aloha everyone, Blendily founder Ivy Chuang. Today I am harvesting comfrey. This is a big leafy medicinal plant. The Latin name is Symphytum officinale. It's been used in Europe medicinally for centuries, since at least 400 BC. And it usually comes with white or purple flowers, but it hasn't been flowering yet, this plant, but we're mostly harvesting the leaves, and the roots would be used as well. The common nickname for comfrey is bone-knit. So, as that implies, it's good for any ailments regarding joints, bones, repairing bones, and it's just these beautiful intricate leaves, a little fuzzy, not pokey, just fuzzy. And in any case, we use comfrey in our Comfrey Comfort joint pain salve that we have for sale at Blendily. So anyways, hope you enjoyed learning about comfrey today.